blindness is defined as inability of person to count figures from a distance of 6 meters or 20 feet. Vision 6 by 60 or less, it is the best possible spectacle correction. There are various types of blindness can be occurs. Economical blindness means inability of a person to count figures from distance of 6 meters or 20 feet. Social blindness means vision 3 by 60 or dimension of field of vision to 10 degrees. Absolute blindness is defined as vision 1 by 60 to just perception of light. Absolute blindness means person there is no having perception against light. Curable blindness means this is the stage of blindness. The damage is reversed by giving proper treatment. Next, preventable blindness means the loss of vision occurs due to some conditions. This can be prevented by using prophylactic measures like zero measures. Examples are xerothalmia and trachoma comes under preventable blindness. Next, avoidable blindness means total of preventable and curable blindness is called as avoidable blindness. Next, visual activity means sharpness of vision measured a maximum distance of person can see a certain objects divided by maximum distance at which a person with normal sight can see the same object. This is means visual acuity. Comparison of World Health Organization NPCB definitions. According to World Health Organization, category 1 is having 6 by 18 to 6 by 60 is low vision. According to NPCB, category 2 is 6 by 60 or less than 3 by 60 is economical blindness. Category 3 less than 3 by 60 or 1 by 60 is called as social blindness. According to NPCB, category 4 less than 1 by 60 or perception of light is World Health Organization. According to NPCB, it is called as manifest blindness. In category 5, blindness is there is no perception of light, that is called as absolute blindness in National Program for Control of Blindness. These are the various types of blindness under World Health Organization and National Program for Control of Blindness. According to WHO statistics, 285 million people are visually impaired worldwide. There are 39 million are blind and 246 million people are low vision, and also 90% of the world population is visually impaired, and 82% of people are living with blindness or having age 50 or above. The major cause of moderate and severe visual impairments are uncorrected refractive errors, and another cause is cataracts, and also no income, and most of the 80% visual impairments can be either preventable or curable. The prevalence of blindness is highest in African countries and Asian countries and Latin American peoples. In our national, 37 million people are having blind, and India 12 million people are blinded. The majorly the person having age 50 years above, there are having 8.5% chances of blindness, and children are having 0.8 percentage in 1000 populations, and children's having 5 to 15 years of age, visual impairment percentage is chances are 6.4%. The major causes of blindness in India is cataract 62%, refractive errors or uncorrected refractions errors are 20%, glaucoma 6%, corneal or opacity others, and in childhood causes by using uncorrected refractive errors, vitamin D deficiency, development of cataracts, retinal conditions, and optic atrophy, and conjunctional abnormalities. National Program Control Board Blindness conducted a survey in 2001 to 2002. There are 90.7 percentage of causes of errors occurs due to refractive errors or errors in refraction mirrors, and 5.8% of prevalence occurs due to glaucoma. The major causes of blindness is cataract having 62.6, and 1.2 percentage is surgical complications, and corneal blindness is 0.9%. Posterior segment disorders are 4.7, and other causes are 5%. In India, national level blindness control program was introduced in our first country. It can be launched in 1976. It is a 100% centrally sponsored program. In 1994 to 95, this program is decentralized to establish the decentralized district blindness control society in each district to build the capacity. The major goal of national program for control of blindness is reduces the prevalence of blindness from 1.49 to 0.3 percentage by 2020, and also establish the infrastructure to providing teacher care to the blindness of new cases. The major objectives of 12th 5-year plan is reduces the backlogs of available blindness by proper identification and giving proper treatment, and providing high care services by implementation of high health for all, and also strengthening and upgradation of regional institutes of ophthalmology, and additional human resources and infrastructure facilities at district level, and also identify and treatment given to the persons at primary level, secondary level, and tertiary levels in our country to enhance the awareness about eye care, and preventive measures to the community peoples, and increase and expand the researches for prevention of blindness and visual impairments, and participation of voluntary organizations and private practitioners in eye care programs by using various strategies to prevent the blindness. providing free cataract surgeries, mainly people's having conduct a program comprehensive by including diabetic retinopathy and cataract, glaucoma, corneal transplantation, and vitro-retinal surgeries and childhood blindness are included in this program. And conducting active screening of populations for peoples having 50 years above for cataract, and also conducting screening of school children for early identification and treatment provided for refractive errors in school stage, and also eye care treatment provided at a public private partnership, and providing of capacity building at district and sub district levels, and information and education and communication activities in community, and also strengthen the regional institutes of ophthalmology and medical colleges at states and district hospitals, and also providing primary eye care and establishment of mobile ophthalmic units like multi-purpose district mobile ophthalmic units, and also participation in community and panchayati raj institutions by conducting camps in rural areas, by involvement of private and public partnerships, by establishment of multi-purpose district mobile ophthalmic units or screening of eye at school, and transporting the patient from screening centers to the nearest district hospitals or referral centers for further treatment, and spot refraction and provision of glasses, and diagnosis of various diseases like diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma, and display of information, education and communication message to the outer panels. These are the various activities of multi-purpose district mobile ophthalmic units. Organization of national program for control of blindness involves at central level and state and district level. In central level, having ophthalmologic sections and Director General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. In state level, having state ophthalmic cells, Directorate of Health Services, state health societies. In district societies are having district blindness control units. In coming to service delivery or referral systems or comes from lower levels by conducting various activities by taking mobile ophthalmic units at PSCs or panchayatis. It will given refer to the sub district level hospitals, then go for secondary level treatment at district hospitals or non-governmental hospitals of eye hospitals, and tertiary care is provided at apex and regional institutes and medical colleges. District blindness control society, the major goal is reduces the reduction in available blindness through optimal utilization of available resources by reduce the avoidable blindness. It includes conducting comprehensive eye care by including various diseases, and screening of eyes for children in school ages, and providing rehabilitation services at communities. There are various activities are under National Program for Control of Blindness Cataract Operations, involvement of non-governmental organizations, civil works, and community assistance, and information, education and community activities, management information system, monitoring and evaluation, screening programs conducted at school, and frequently donation of eyes, and control of vitamin A deficiency diseases. By control of cataract operations are conducted at private and government and non-government organizations by qualified surgeons. Up to 2014 to July 2015, India 63 lakhs and 31,982 cataract operations are conducted, and in Telangana 2 lakhs 23,721 cataract operations are conducted. By giving information, education and communication activities by using various medias like telecasting or broadcasting, printing the materials, and by using postal and railways, display the messages and panels at public places, and providing information through the videos, and stockholders and schools, and influential peoples, and providing information by SMS. By conducting screening programs at school levels by children aged in between 10 to 14 years, vision problems are 6 to 7%. First screened by trainee teachers, one for 150 students, then go for ophthalmologist assistants to corrective spectacles for giving spectacles. In 2014, July 2015, there are Telangana state providing 14,575 corrector spectacles, and India 73 7 lakhs 32,120 corrective spectacles are distributed to the childrens. By collection and utilization of donated eyes to the organ failure persons of eye in 2014 to July 2014, in India 57,250 eye donations are successfully completed, and Telangana 446 4,466 eye donated eyes are successfully utilized. By initiating of new programs in India in a national program of control of blindness, by supplying free glasses in presbyopia patients, and spectacles providing to the childrens, by conducting eye testing at fortnight and every year in the month of June, and providing free surgery for cataract patients, and establishment of multi-purpose district mobile ophthalmic units, and promote of eye donations and eye banks to perform better in the forthcoming years, and providing hospital corneal retrieval programs, and also free surgery to the cataract case patients in rural areas, and free transportation for patients of unreached areas, and also providing free medicines for all type of eye elements, and providing free spectacles for post operative care, and also providing free spectacles for poor school students, and conducting screening test for all school children, and also providing vitamin A supplements to the children's, and providing advanced treatment in medical colleges, hospitals, and district hospitals, and every year one medical college conducting regional institute of ophthalmology by increasing the camps, and also establishment of eye banks. Externally, some organizations like World Health Organization, Dandia, and World Bank by providing various support to the national program for control of blindness. The vision of 2020 is the right to sight. This is a globally initiative program to avoid reduces the avoidable blindness by 2020 by including the various disorders like cataract and childhood blindness, corneal blindness, and glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy. In India, by providing taking action, Center of Excellence 20 centers are 200, service centers are 2000, and vision centers are 20,000. By providing primary level services by giving vision centers 20,000 for screening and referral services, performing eye screening programs, primary eye care and refraction and prescription of glasses. In secondary level, there are 2,000 centers are there are performing cataract surgeries and providing other common eye surgeries and providing refraction services and referral services. In tertiary level, providing by tertiary centers and center of excellence, tertiary eye care included retinal surgeries, corneal transplantation, and glaucoma surgeries, and center of excellence by professional leaderships and laying standards and quality assurance. By blindness is the great public health program. The National Program for Control of Blindness started in 1976 to achieve the reduction in prevalence of blindness from 1.4 to the less than 0.3% by 2020 by conducting various cataract surgeries, non-governmental organizations, screening at school children's, conducting eye camps, and give information about eye donation by establishment of mobile units and preventing the preventable blindness and treating the curable blindness. The Vision 2020 is named as the right to sight will be achieved by three levels of eye care: primary level, tertiary level, and secondary level at various institutions. The major aim is donate your eyes to the another persons. The National Eye Donation Fortnight is conducted in every year in between August 25th to the September 8th to create awareness about importance of donation of eyes. World Sight Day is celebrated in second Thursday of October month of every year.